Lumpiang Shanghai. Make your own. Lumpiang Shanghai. Make your own.
No.
What?
Need to
I
go
need to
close.
go. Okay.
With them, the close.
Lumpiang Shanghai. Make your own.
And super simple origin, Lumpia Shanghai came from the word, Chinese word, Lumpia, that means spring rolls. The name Shanghai don't derive from the city, but from the Chinese influence, of course. And Lumpia came to the Philippines through the Chinese immigrant in the 9th century. Over the time, of course, the Filipino adapted to their own culture. Means they introduced their own ingredient, their own flavor. In particular, Lumpia Shanghai is filled with ground pork, vegetable, and Filipino flavor, and sometimes chili. And that's it. And of course, I suggest you this beautiful Filipino game. How is called this?
Sungka.
Sungka. Sungka, I will put the link in bio. Yeah, you can play this
With
and
yourself.
join your lumpia.
Lumpiang Shanghai is the most popular variety of lumpia that originated in the Philippines. It is a crispy, deep-fried snack or viand that evolved from the Chinese spring rolls. The Shanghai version is distinct because it has the savory filling that combines ground pork or beef with carrots, onions, and other aromatics. Now, many Filipinos have a different take on doing the dish. Never judge a lumpia by its wrapper because the Filipino Lumpiang Shanghai tops the spot in Taste Atlas' annual Best-Ranked Southeast Asia Food List 2022.
Back with Chef Eileen today for this beautiful, simple, easy recipe. We require some tools. A grater. We bought 3 sides, the small one, medium, and big one. All of them from Amazon, link in bio, but we will use the medium one. Mini pan. Of course, we need to fry them. That means you require a mini pan. If you want a big one, no problem at all. Important but not extremely necessary, laser thermometer to check your oil. Your oil to fry need to be around 180 degrees. That's it. Optional again, because we use just grain of pepper, a grinder. This is a spice grinder. You can use for the pepper, you can use for your spicy. Like this you get the grain and they stay longer and the aroma is more intense. As a book for this incredible recipe, 7,000 Island from Jasmine Newman, a beautiful book exploring the history and a lot of recipes from Philippines. I need to say the best book I bought from Philippine cuisine till now.
For the steps, we will use this to grind all our ingredients. 1 medium carrot, 1 medium-sized onion, garlic about 1 or 2 cloves, 1 stick of celery. And then we just have to mix it all together with the pork, Half kilo of grind pork. Black pepper for taste. 2 fresh eggs. Lumpia wrapper. Optional chili because we love spicy. So we will just grate all of the ingredients here and then put them all together, including the pork with the seasonings, and then roll it in the rolling sheet.
Holy shit.
And for the sauce, it's of course the sweet chili sauce. This is optional, so either salt or some patties. And of course, oil for deep frying.
And that's it. And that's it, no?
Time to roll our lumpia.
Another special tool of today, but how the rest not extremely necessary, is that to make sure all of them they are the same and they cook at the same time. And that's it, yeah? Remember that. Depend how big they are, the temperature of the oil. Remember that. Because are filled with pork. Pork need to cook. We set our oil at 180 and we will cook it around 3-4 minutes. Remember, when it's coming up, means it's cooked. We golden up the pastry, let's say like that, and that's it. Finish with cooking time. Time for the sauce. Go ahead. Very nice. And look at that. Amazing pork and vegetable. Crispy outside.
Look at that, it's cooked perfectly. Time for tasting.
Time for tasting. And what's supposed to happen? Just dip it in. Look at that. Really nice. Super extremely nice. I was not expecting. Simple recipe, super flavorful. The pork make the difference. Sorry for that. Vegetable super nice. The pastry came crispy, not burn at all. Amazing. No oily. Look at that. No oily. Make your own. Dip, dip, dip.
Cheers.
One more. Remember, chili it's an optional, but make the difference. Beautiful. One more.
And by the way, this one, it's always in the party, wedding, fiestas, birthdays, so it's the must in the party, and usually they would take this out. And this is the first one that's finished first, so that's how very good it is.
Remember, for all your party, make your own. Unbelievable.
Lumpiang Shanghai. Make your own. Lumpiang Shanghai. Make your own.
No.
What?
To go
I need to
close.
go. Okay.
With them, the clothes.